कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जिसके बारे में हमको पता होना चाहिए, करना चाहिए, नौकरी ढूंढनी है, पढ़ाई करनी है, उसके बाद घर खरीदना है, वो सब ज़रूरी है. That's why I tell everyone, please make the money, settle down comfortably, and once you're done with it, start living life for the purpose that you were born. So if you don't celebrate your life and also spend time in thinking, I could be, I would be, I should be, I can be, I can be bigger, I can be smaller, I can be fairer, I can be prettier, I can be happier. This is it. अब यही हो तुम, इमोशनली भी यही हो, मेंटली भी यही हो, फिजिकली भी यही हो. अब इसमें वक्त मत जाया करो. लोग कैसा चाहते हैं तुम बन जाओ, क्योंकि सोशल मीडिया पे लिखते हैं उसको ऐसी शर्ट पहननी चाहिए थी, वो अगर ऐसी फिल्म करता तो. ये सब छोड़ दो. तुम यही हो. सब चीजें भूल जाओ कि तुम कौन हो सकते थे या दुनिया क्या चाहती है तुम हो. फाइंड आउट दैट देयर इज दिस वन लाइफ अल्लाह हैज गिवन यू, one life nature has given you, and that is the only perfect thing. Live it to the hill and enjoy. Don't try to be someone else. You'll always find someone better, taller, cooler, handsomer, nicer, more talented, with better six packs. But please do not try to be someone else, because I think it takes away the two greatest gifts. When you try to keep up with others, it takes away the two greatest gifts life has given you. One is the freedom to fail, and the ability to say with your head held high, I don't know. Yeah, be yourself, because everybody else is taken. It's very important to be who you are and you know, try and achieve things on your own, go by your heart.
You said, I want to be a star permanently, but that's not going to happen.
You don't know.
How are you going to ensure?
I'll be the first permanent movie star in the world. I tell everyone, I am like a bad habit, and you can't kick bad habits. I'm the worst habit India has, and it'll be very difficult for people to get out of. You know, good habits you can overcome. Bad habits you're stuck with for the rest of your life. And someone that क्या करें यार, छूटता नहीं यार. कितने साल हो गए, मैं 6 साल की थी तब से मुझे अच्छा लगता था, 65 साल की हो गई, छूटता ही नहीं.
You're in Berlin, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, and you're the greatest Bollywood star. But what's about Hollywood? Have you ever planned to work in the Dream Factory?
My English is not good, because they give me a role of a dumb person who doesn't speak, maybe. But with all, I mean, I'm not trying to be modest, but I think, you know, I'm 42 years old. I'm a little brown. I don't have any special USP as an actor. I don't have any speciality as an actor. I don't know Kung Fu. I don't dance the Latin salsa. I'm not tall enough. I think anyone who's my age in the Western world, I've seen some of the films of recent films in Europe. I've seen a lot of films of what you call the Dream Factory. I think there is no space for me. There is no place for me, because I don't think I'm that talented. So I would like to continue doing work in India and hopefully take Indian cinema to the world. That's the ambition I have.
Do you wish that you could have your privacy back?
No, not at all. I said this in one interview in my documentary, that all my life I have worked so that I can be recognized. I want thousands of people to scream my name out when I get off the airport. I want girls and little children to tear my clothes off. I've worked very hard for this, and then I find it very stupid when I see stars wear dark glasses to hide their faces. I think I want to be recognized. Given a chance, I'd give my left arm and right arm to be recognized and have no privacy. I want to be known, I want to be disturbed, I want to be troubled by as many people for as many years possible. और फिर मैं एक डायरेक्टर से वहां पे मिला तो उन्होंने मुझे पहली बात बोली थी, तुम इतने अगली हो, मैं तुम्हें किसी भी रोल में डाल सकता हूँ. एक्चुअली जिस दिन मैं मुंबई में पहली बार आया, ये सिटी ने मुझे बहुत परेशान कर दिया है. एकदम सड़क पे ले आया, मैं सड़क पे सोता था. तो मैं कहा यार मैं एक दिन आऊंगा और इस सिटी को ओन करूंगा. हौसला रख चेंज करांगे नी टाइम ना कोई रह शक विच हवा चलू पख विच नींद दे जेड़े जेड़े लोकी कोले हक विच to be unknown. As much as I love calling my dad a successful failure, I'd like to be just bloody successful. जो मुझे मिला है मुकाम, कहीं एक दिन बैठकर अपने घर में मुझे ऐसा लगे कि मैं डिजर्व करता हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है मुझसे बहुत बेहतर एक्टर्स हैं, मुझे लगता है मुझसे ज्यादा खूबसूरत लोग हैं, मुझसे लगता है मुझसे मेहनती लोग हैं, मुझे कुछ ज्यादा मिल गया है अपने माँ बाप की दुआओं की वजह से शायद. तो कहीं ना कहीं मैं ऐसा काम कर जाऊं कि मुझे एक दिन ऐसा बैठ के मैं बोलूँ ये सब डिजर्व करता हूँ, हवा अंदो 250 ग्राम.
You said, I want to be a star permanently, but that's not going to happen.
You don't know.
How are you going to ensure?
I'll be the first prominent movie star in the world. I tell everyone, I am like a bad habit. And you can't kick bad habits. I'm the worst habit India has. And it'll be very difficult for people to get out of. Good habits you can overcome. Bad habits you're stuck with for the rest of your life. I'm someone that, क्या करें यार, छूटता नहीं यार. कितने साल हो गए, मैं 6 साल की थी तब से मुझे अच्छा लगता था. 65 साल की हो गई, छूटता ही नहीं.